Hello everybody, today we make a fresh pasta. And the flour, you got 2 cups over here. And we make a little hole in the middle of the flour. And we got eggs. I got 2 eggs. Now we need a little salt and olive oil, a little bit. Now we scramble the eggs with a fork. A little bit at a time, and now we start behind to mix everything. Okay, now, se it's too dry, you can use a little drop of water. I got the water right over here. If it's too soft, I got flour. Okay, it's a little dry. You don't gotta pour the water. Just wet your hands like this. That's all. And now, we got this scrape, and we clean up everything. Okay, good. And now we need the muscle. You need the olio di gomito. It's this. You need spinach, like a papaya. Okay, look how nice that it look this. I want to do the machine to make a nice thin at the size you want. You want to thick or thin, everything. Okay, now take the cover out and I cut half the pasta over here and make sure to cover it again. And now this one I gotta do on the machine. And what you need a little flour like this. Now this machine, you got the size over here. What you gotta do? You got small, big, and really big. And you do the big one. And we start turn. Do it again, the same, one more time like this. And now we start to do more thin. And now we gotta make really the size I like the fettuccine I gotta make. You can make a fettuccine, you can make a lasagna, you can make a tagliolini, manigotti, everything you can make. It's a number 6 I do. Okay, good, look how beautiful. You put a little flour on the top. The color, you gotta know how long you want the fettuccine. And this, I like the fettuccine over here like this. And you cut it. Now we cut one more over here, and one over here, and we got the size what I want. Put a little flour again, you know, one is stick together. And the fettuccine is right over here, and you look how beautiful. Look how nice. Se la luna in mezzo mare, mamma mamma maradata. All right, look how nice, my fettuccine. Oh, now this so you cook right away. But so you don't want to cook right away, you see like this, you put on a stick and you leave it dry. One time it's dry good, you can put in something box and you can freeze. And when it's freeze, everything's good. After you want to cook, you take it out, not defrost. You gotta cook when it's froze and you cook. Now this you can make with a meat sauce, or you can make with a pesto. Everything the fettuccine, it's really good. And the fresh pasta, you don't gotta take too long to cook. Now this is fresh and I gotta cook right away.